Hi friends, today we are with the Infinix S5 Lite, and in this video we will talk about the unboxing of the device and some of the key features what the device is holding. We will also see the box content in the unboxing part. So let's check out this video and know more about Infinix S5 Lite. So here we have the box of Infinix S5 Lite and it looks pretty much similar what we have seen. It comes with the dot notch. It has 4GB 64GB. At the back it is written 6.6-inch Infinity O display, low light selfie, AI triple camera, battery capacity 4000 mAh, 3D face beauty and face unlock and fingerprint sensor. The price written on the box is 9999, but I expect the price to be around 8000, which is 7999 to 8999. This will be the price what I think for the box. And in the box definitely you can see it is a made in India box. So this is a retail unit, this is not the review unit, so you will find all the things what inside the box are similar what if you will purchase the smartphone. Now let's see what are the box content. So first here we are getting the device and it looks pretty much long and lightweight also at the same time. It has a plastic finish. We will talk about that later on. First I will pull the stickers. You can see the device. It looks pretty much similar like Infinix S5 which was launched recently. Here we have a charger. You can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. We are also getting a micro USB charging cable which can be used to transfer the data as well as to charge the phone. We are also getting a SIM card ejector tool. There are some paperwork including the X Club. There is also safety guide, warranty card, and lastly we are getting a silicone back cover case with a designer finish. We are also getting a screen protector in the box. Now talking about the design first, here you can see at the back it has a plastic finish. It comes with a triple AI rear camera setup, quad flash setup, and also fingerprint sensor at the back. Infinix is written, S series is also written in the bottom. The S5 used to have the quad camera at the back. This is having a triple lens at the back. In the side we are getting the power button and the volume rocker key. On the top there is nothing. If we go to the bottom side, here we are getting the speaker grill, micro USB charging slot, and also the 3.5mm jack. On the side we are getting the SIM card slot. I will show you what is the slot and how many card slot is present. Now in the slot here you can see we are getting a triple slot, which means we can use 2 nano SIM card slot and also expandable memory at the same time. If we come to the display is 6.55-inch HD plus display. It is not full HD display, but it is a LCD IPS panel, and we are getting an Infinity O display, what Infinix is calling. So it has a hole punch camera in the front, in the corner, which is a great thing. Coming to the specification, it comes with the processor, which is a octa-core Helio P22 processor. It has a 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. Don't forget that it can have an expandable storage also. Coming to the camera, the rear camera setup is 16 plus 2 plus. There is a low light sensor. We will talk about that later on. Coming to the front camera, it is a 16 megapixel AI camera. If we talk about the OS, it is running on Android 9.0 Pie with XOS 5.5, which is Infinix own skin UI. If we talk about the battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery, which is definitely a huge battery. Now coming to the some features what the device is offering, going to the battery lab, it has a AI smart powering power saving mode. So Infinix is giving you a AI mode in the battery. And if we go to the system navigation, here you can see you can change into key navigation, gesture navigation, and mixed navigation. So 3 types of navigation can be changed in the smartphone, which is definitely a great thing for the user perspective. If we talk about the device, I didn't find any dark mode in the device, which is little bit strange for me because in 2019 last everyone is having a dark mode. Coming to the storage and RAM, it has a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. It comes with a game mode, which is definitely a good thing because if you are a gamer and you are purchasing this smartphone, you want to play small games, it can perform. It is definitely optimized for PUBG. I will show you here, and a dedicated separate video is coming for a PUBG gaming of the smartphone Infinix S5 Lite in this channel only. If you go to the display, there is no dark mode, but there is one option where you can hide the notch. which is definitely I don't want to do that, because the device looks pretty much good with the notch. The notch is not there, it is just a camera panel. We are also getting a smart panel. In this we have some quick settings and also some quick launch of the app. This can be reconfigured. We have seen this earlier also in XOS, so I will definitely not waste the time of yours. We are also getting the digital well-being and the parental control. So there is a lot what XOS is giving you, except that what we have especially is there is a face unlock coming in the device. I will go and show you in the security features. So in the security you are getting a fingerprint sensor which is at the back, and there is a face unlock in the front. So how the face unlock will work, we will talk about that later. First I have to input the pattern, and after inputting the pattern 2 times, then you can enter into the fingerprint sensor. Here you can see you can do multiple things using the face unlock, like take a photo, accept a call, do a call recording, and also dismiss the alarm. Putting the fingerprint sensor at the back, here you can see it is very easy, and you can put it for a multiple fingerprint sensor. You can lock some apps also. It is just up to you. Here you can see I am just unlocking. It is definitely the fast fingerprint management system. Now coming to the face unlock is also very easy, but the enrolling of the face unlock is little bit tough. It takes a little bit time, nearly 1 minute, not more than that, but still it needs some good light while adjusting to the face. Here you can see I'm just doing the face unlock. It works very smoothly. It is just a charm, and there is no hiccup in that. There is a shortcut of face unlock in the home screen also. You can adjust and play it around and try different kind of settings in it. Now talking about the camera, last but not the least, one of the important segment, the S5 Lite comes with the triple rear camera setup, all with the AI. The primary camera sensor is the 16 megapixel, the secondary is the 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor, and the third is the low light sensor. It also had a quad flash at the back setup. If we talk about the front camera, it comes with the 16 megapixel AI camera which is on the top. In the video recording, you can shoot Full HD video, HD video, and 480p video. It has an AI cam in the front and the back, which I have already told you. And these are the some modes you are getting. You are also getting some AR stickers to play it around. It also have Google Lens inbuilt the camera app. It is definitely a great thing, but I felt that it takes a little bit time to launch the Google Lens. But at the same time, I think that company can resolve it by optimizing with the OS. If we talk about the other features what we are getting, you can change the aspect ratio. You have a SDR mode also for the rear camera, and some filters you can play it around. If we talk about the front camera, definitely if you launch the front camera, here you can see a brightening up circular ring which indicates that your front camera is on. I will show you one more time. Here you can see it is pitch black, and once you pop up the front camera, here you can see circular screen brighten up. At the same time, I will show you one more time so that you guys can have a look on it. It looks very good definitely, and it also reminds you that the front camera is on. We get few settings in it. I will show you. It has a 16 megapixel AI camera in the front, and you have a different set of resolution where 12 megapixel, 9 megapixel, 8 megapixel, similar megapixels are there. You can change that. In the video settings, you can shoot Full HD video, HD video, and 480p video. Definitely a great thing. You get some AR shots, you can play it around, and you also have the Google Lens here, which definitely will direct the rear camera. Again, there is a wide selfie. Here you can see the wide selfie is nothing more, it just elongates your aspect ratio. It changes the aspect ratio. It is nothing more than that. If we talk about some more features of the device, it comes with the direct surround sound. The audio quality is definitely loud in the smartphone. It weighs around 178 gram, and it has a 4000 battery which definitely will last for a day. If we talk about the color, this is the cyan color, and there will be a violet color and a midnight black color. So there are 3 colors totally coming for the device. The price is still not known, but I am expecting that this will be 7999 or 8999. This will be the price for the device. This is all about the Infinix S5 Lite. If you have any question regarding this, just let us know. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.